What shall I ask him?
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Virgin Atlantic.
Dan, put his shades on, mate.
Shades? Or for me? Or his shades on? Or for me?
Put them on, mate.
I'll put mine. Okay. Cool. Sorry, Darren. Let me know when it's go time, man.
Let's go.
Welcome everyone to Virgin Atlantic's train journey here from Manchester to London Euston. We are very lucky to have
Problem?
We are going to Houston, aren't we?
Yeah.
What's his name again?
We have a problem.
What's his name?
George.
We are very lucky to have George with us with this evening. He's gonna do an interview with us. George, how you feeling? Thank you, George. George, he's been in Manchester today and he's had a really great time. It's a great time, and then he's going to tell us about what he's been doing today. George? Thank you, George. He'd like to give a little special message to his family and friends who are here with us today, and those who aren't with us today, who are watching now live on the internet. George, got anything to say to him? George, you've been absolutely brilliant today. Thank you so much, George. One for the fans. We're signing out here. Virgin Atlantic.
Got the mic.